Be the creator, not the consumer. This is Angus. My channel focuses on sourcing from China. If you're new to this channel, please go subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Import duty is unavoidable in the importing business, and understanding the import duty becomes important when the trade tension is going up. As we mentioned before, that the import duty rate is highly linked with the HS code. So same as the HS code, that the import duty rate varies from country to country and product to product. But don't be overwhelmed, as this is not a complicated topic as you imagine. And in this video, I will explain to you the basics of import duty. First, what is import duty? You may have heard a lot of terms like import tax, customs duty, import tariff, or something else. Actually, they're just the same as import duty. And literally, the import duty is a type of tax imposed on the imported products and charged by a country's customs authorities. To charge the import duty, the local government can obviously raise its income. It can also make the local manufactured products have advantage over the imported one. And by imposing high duties on its products can also be levied to penalize a certain country. So how to calculate the import duty? Generally speaking, the import duty is a percentage charged on the customs value of the imported goods. And here's the calculation. Now you know the calculation of the import duty. And as you can see that there are two main factors that will affect the import duty amount. First, customs value. Customs value generally is the transaction value between the buyer and the seller. It will be stated in the commercial invoice for the importer to make the customs clearance. But the customs officers have the final judgment on the value stated in the invoice. And the assessment of the customs value is different in different countries. Most countries set the customs value on the basis of CIF price, but the US, Canada, and Australia are the few countries where the import duty is charged on the basis of FOB price. Second, the import duty rate. The import duty rate is determined by the HS code, the country of origin, and even the trade agreements. So how and where do we check it? In many cases, the importers are consulting with the Chinese suppliers about the import duty and tax. But the Chinese suppliers are not more knowledgeable than you on the import duty of your country. Actually, not only the Chinese suppliers, sometimes the shipping forwarders cannot be certain about the import duty rate of specific products as well. So let's learn how to check it. The first step is to get the correct HS code, which we already have discussed in our last video. After we get the specific HS code, it's time for us to check the import duty rate. In the US, you can check from the US International Trade Commission website, which actually is the same website that we check the HS code. Go to the website, input the product name or the HS code in the searching box under HTS search. And at the left border of the searching results page has detailed HTS code. You need to select the HTS code according to your specific product. And for specific products, you can see that there are several columns at the receipt duty. So which columns should you look at? General in number 1 refers to the tariffs of most imported products from the world, including China. And special refers to the import tariffs of countries that have relevant free trade agreements with the US. And number 2 refers to import tariffs on special trade restricted countries that do not have trade relations with the United States, such as North Korea. So you need to look at the general tax rate. After you get the import duty rate and confirm the customs value of your import, you're able to make the calculation of the duty cost. I hope this video can help you understand what is import duty and how to make the calculation. And if you have any links that can help to check the import duty rate of other countries, please share it in the comment. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon.